Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to make perfect homemade biscuits with our step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, gather all the ingredients you'll need. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 2/3 cup of cold unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 cup of milk too. Now, preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt until well combined. Cut the cold butter into small cubes and add them to the bowl. Using your fingertips or a pastry cutter, blend the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. This step is important for creating a flaky texture in your biscuits. Next, pour in the milk and stir everything together until a soft dough forms. Be careful not to overmix, you want the dough to just come together. On a lightly floured surface, turn out the dough and gently knead it a few times to bring it together. Pat the dough into a 1-inch thickness. Using a round biscuit cutter, press straight down into the dough to cut out the biscuits. Avoid twisting the cutter, as this can hinder their rise. Place the biscuits onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving some space between each one. Now it's time to bake. Pop the baking sheet into the preheated oven and let the biscuits bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, or until they turn golden brown. Once they're ready, take the biscuits out of the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. And there you have it, delicious, homemade biscuits that are fluffy and buttery. They're perfect for any meal or occasion. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed this step-by-step guide to making perfect homemade biscuits. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tasty recipes. Happy baking!